Welcome to online classes of Shivaji Group of Institution. Student, myself Jitendra Tripathi. Student, in previous class, I have started a new chapter, periodic properties and periodic table. In that class, I am discussing about some laws like Mendeleev periodic law and Moseley periodic table. This is the reduced part of the syllabus, new syllabus, but these are the basic things, so we have to complete it in previous lecture. And last topic is that classification of elements, perhaps. So student, once more, classification of elements. Okay, I think I am discussing about the classification. Elements are classified in 4 blocks. First one is the S block element. Second one is the P block element. Third one is the D block element. And last distribution is that classification is that F block element. Okay. Yes. How will you define these block elements, like as block element P, D and F block elements? So, elements in which differentiating electron, do you know the meaning of differentiating electron? Is the last electron. Last electron entered in S subcell. Last electron in S subcell. Elements are known as S block element. Those elements in which differentiating or last electron entered in S subcell are known as S block element, while last electron entered in D subcell, and these are known as P block. P subcell, in this P block elements. And if last electron entered in D subcell, these are called D block element. Similarly, last electron entered in S subcell, these are known as F block elements. Now, the configuration, general configuration of these elements. Here some definitions are important which are asking in examination. So, configuration is the general electronic configuration for the S block element is the NS1 or NS2, either NS1 or NS2. This is the general electronic configuration for the S block element, while for P is the NS2 NP1 to 6, means in P subcell electron varies from 1 to 6, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 and P6. Now D block element general configuration is the NS1 or 2. One possible, here we write NS1 and NS2 and these are 2. NS1 or 2 and N-1 D1 to 10, means in D subcell electron varies from 1 to 10. Here we have to write n. Here we write to n minus 1. N is the outermost cell or last cell, and n minus 1 is known as penultimate. This one is the penultimate cell. Penultimate cell. Last but one. Okay. Electron varies from 1 to 10. Now, for F block element, n minus 2 F 1 to 14 means electron varies from 1 to 14, and n minus 1 D 0 or 1 and ns2. See here, this one is the penultimate, and n minus 2 is known as anti-penultimate. Here 2, n is the outer. So, for penultimate cell, outer cell must be at least 4, and for anti-penultimate, outer cell must be 6, 5 and 4. Okay. So, if your last cell is third, then penultimate cell is not 2. Reason behind it that second cell don't contain D subcell. That's why for penultimate, outermost cell must be 4th, and for anti-penultimate, outer cell must be 6. This is a compulsory. Okay. So this is the general electronic configuration for the S block, P block, D block and F block element. Now, one more thing, the last, that is which groups are considered in these block elements. Now, S block element contain 2 groups, that is first A and second A. First A is the alkali metal. This one is the alkaline earth metal. Okay. First A group is the alkali metal and second is the alkaline earth metal. And P block element contain 6 group, that is third A, fourth A, fifth A, sixth A, seventh A, and last one is the 0. Third A, fourth A, fifth A, sixth A, seventh A, and 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now for D is the third B, fourth B, fifth B, sixth B, seventh B, eighth, A, B, C, first B and second B. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. D1 to 10. D1, D2, D3 like that. Now, for F block element. These F block element divided in 2 series. One is 4F series. Another is 5F series. Okay. 4F series is known as lanthanoid series, and 5F series is known as actinoid series. Lanthanide and actinide. From which atomic number? 58 to 71. These are 14 elements, and 90 to 103. 4F series is known as lanthanide series. In this series, 14 elements are present from atomic number 58 cerium to 71 lutetium. Similarly, in 5F series, which is known as actinoid series, this series contain 14 element, atomic number 90 thorium to 103 lawrencium Lw. This is the block study of the elements. So these are the main points for the definition of S block element, P block element, D block element, and F block element. So student, revise this topic, and if you are facing any problem, you can discuss with me in a concerning group. So this is all about today. Best of luck for attending the class.